Glerabg.
Vaselina, grease, odora.
Gana no muskomor.
Oi.
Oh boy, how do y'all feel like hore? Now what's a little bit fun? Little rota la diko. YouTube. It's about this thing. In the meantime, between the time it's real. This is Dongoma. Guys, today I meet these boys. I'm gonna turn them to girls today.
Girls.
Hey,
Yeah, woman.
can you hear this man? He's gonna turn us into girls today.
Yeah. So guys, I have a question for you all. How do you all feel about not going Go Brown to the Go Brown event?
Me, I'm feeling great because grooving is not my thing. Yeah, so I don't have bad personal emotions or such kind of things. I have my own money now. I'm gonna buy my beer with my brew. I'm gonna sit with my brew.
Yeah.
Try a beer strong. So
Yeah.
I feel safe.
Hey, man. Yeah,
Wait.
mana.
Wait.
Hey, mana.
Hey,
Loy na jo no so mo ai loy na.
Are you?
Hey, King.
Wait.
He said he's going.
Yeah,
Yeah, enough. He said he's going to buy a beer
Yeah.
and stand still, at home.
Come on, guys.
Bruh.
Do you support this?
Wow.
I mean, yan Shia.
So let
Yeah.
na go brown na kasi ay jo. Let na jo ag groovy sto mo. Na hit this lo mo ra.
Lajon.
That's a problem because I lost my wife. I mean to say I lost my girlfriend. It was last year. I don't remember very well. G, what is G did? Maybe she expected to meet me here and then like she met another guy.
Fan go easy fan. Another ash go sama.
Okay, we're gonna speak about this
Yeah.
not in front of the camera.
So like, Onala, how many like, since your wife left you last year?
Yeah, now probably I think maybe I make a year and 1 month. It's not my wife, it's my girlfriend. It was my girlfriend, so now it's a past.
What's that you?
Yeah.
Okay, when Gonna know job?
6 months ago. That means last year. Yeah.
Almost last year
Almost,
because now we are in 7 months of this
Actually,
year.
this year I've been seeing since this year.
Okay, Manung. Gonna know muskomor.
Oi.
Hey.
Dog, I don't usually do that. I remember very well when since last time.
You don't remember? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
I used to that because usually I'm not a type of giant dog, but sometimes I have my
don't choke this
time.
thing.
Yeah.
There's a tough
I
times,
mean,
man.
like I'm a boy, I'm a man. So what do you expect?
There's
so
tough
maybe,
times.
yeah, there's tough time. Maybe around May, April.
That was the last time.
That was the last time. Now we are in July now.
Okay, when Gonna know muskomor.
Maloba.
Malo,
Hewan.
Umetila.
Yeah, maloba. Give it round.
Round.
Got my imagination failure.
Vaselina, Glerabg.
Now easy.
You are
why
bad.
The resources are so okay. Yeah, but maybe oily.
Okay, like who's your like your favorite mantanyo lasta? Norato lebetha ka mang like who lebetha. Ho ka re o baila video ya mapona wa lebetho no lebetha ka mang. like favorite how Nilma.
Bayana ba itse ne mara ke itse mjida ka ne ke Mantimano
Johnny Sins.
Okay.
Favorite how ke Johnny Sins. O bethela yona mnat.
Not gay. Ke na hore like
Johnny Sins o bethela yona mnat.
The favorite scene, the scene.
Nna ke re wa ngwanyana ke mang favorite.
Agba itse.
Wena favorite dog ma?
Dog, I don't know.
I am being honest, my friend.
No, like I don't usually watch those stuffs, you know. I'm not usually watching the porn stuff, but maybe I can describe. If you know, you know.
Yeah.
See. Which? Come on, guys. These guys they are into serious conversation. You know, dog. Like
we were sleeping.
Yesterday, I was
very drunk.
Busy. I was busy drinking.
And guys,
so even today I was drinking. So now
you was drinking juice. You don't drink alcohol.
Resting,
yeah,
so,
juice.
Yeah, so. Last time I slept at 3 o'clock and then I woke up at 5 o'clock. I have things to do. To set up my things very well, you know.
So,
who's your celebrity crush? You.
My celebrity crush? Can you start it that side?
Okay. Celebrity crush?
Celebrity crush?
Yeah.
That's calm. Like if when you mean celebrity, like music, content, the actor, like
yeah. Calling fact. How is calling fact? I'm saying Google.
Celebrity crush. Yo, hi.
Okay,
you
know my celebrity crush, ne?
Yeah.
It's a person that I forgot her name. You know, like there was this soapy called Rhythm City.
Rhythm City.
Yeah, there was another girl there in a Rhythm City soap play, you know. So that girl used to turn me on. Now I forgot how to describe her, but when I see her, I know her that this is the girl that I usually love. This is the type, dog. Yeah.
Okay.
Even now, right now, I don't know where she acts.
But you will find her, and then
if I remember her name, I will speak. But now I forgot the name.
Okay.
I forgot the name that he uses to act within the Rhythm City play. You know.
Yeah.
Well, celebrity crush.
Celebrity crush. If you, I don't know if you know her. It is Tando and Tando Ngema. Tando Ngema.
So ka Rosco American Tando Ngema ka bethe di round tse kae?
Valuma 80 mo.
Yo.
Valuma 8 round Tando Ngema.
Ay.
Tando Ngema.
Wena o ka Rosco American motho wa home no describe nga bethe di round tse kae?
I don't know. I mean, like maybe 3.
3.
Yeah. I think 3 is too much.
Na ga tsuitsuile mona. Ga tsuitsuile mona.
Okay, ba fetu. Okay, like no. Ke Fraser, lempotse. Yana?
Okay.
Like
the question. Okay, to tell you.
Maro sa motsa baby.
Kada ke ntorari.
No, but you should speak to me, guys. Come on, it's unfair. It's unfair.
You don't crash out or what? You crash out, bro.
No, I won't be angry. Why should I be angry?
And then English.
English, bro. No, guys, you are not being fair to me. I'll be fair, man.
What you can do it, I can do it.
Hey, fun.
What we think?
Okay, you're gonna speak in front of the cameras.
Yes.
Okay, no problem.
What we think? I can do it.
Hey, fun.
Come on, though. I won't be angry. We're in front of the cameras right now. This tongue, bro.
Okay. I can.
The modes.
I can move.
Yeah?
I can move. Sabitin.
Hey, modes.
I can. I will not go mad. Nete wena onyaki.
Why?
Why?
I think I have no comment for right now. I'll speak to this after the camera. I'll speak about this after the camera. Oh, like, dog. You know what happened there? I used to date that girl, so I dated that girl. So that girl, she left me. And when she left me, I go back there, go to find my LBs.
Okay.
Yeah.
She rejected me. So now I'm not even there.
You're not interested.
No, it's not like I'm not interested, like you see, but my mind is not there. I'm not flipping there because now, like, I've been rejected. She left me, and then
also
then I go back.
So
she rejected
you are agreeing
me.
that you didn't want to have the
No,
thing with her.
like, no, like you know.
You didn't want to smash.
No, it's not like I didn't want to smash, or I want to smash right now, because like, you know what, True speaking.
What? In heads, break it down.
No, like I don't know anything.
Yeah.
You see, after she left me, and then I focused through my life that okay, now I wanna be straightforward to my life. That girl, she doesn't want me.
Yeah.
So a no, it's a no. According to me, I'm a straightforward guy, and then I respect other people's decisions. You see, if she reject me, okay, I pick it up. Okay, I'm rejected now. I have to find someone else. So I move forward. I focus. So I don't know anything that she wants that.
Yeah.
And then she's a lady. She cannot come to me and tell me that blah. I want you, like I want this and this.
Then she told us. Just imagine, she told us.
Now in front of the cameras.
You are scared to smash, bro. In front of the cameras.
No,
She said that this guy, she's afraid to smash me. So I don't know what to do.
What?
Yeah.
No, I can't believe this. I can't believe this.
Cool. You will see the evidence on the video. Just imagine, bro, dignity.
Guys,
You're afraid to smash it.
No, like you know, like some other things they happened in a different way, bruh. Like I've already explained. You see, I don't know anything.
So the thing, listen, you explained that she showed you that she doesn't want anything to do with you.
Yeah,
right.
That's the thing.
Then she's going around telling people that hey, this guy he's afraid to smash me.
I don't know.
First thing, if she doesn't want anything to do with you, why would she gossip lies, bro? Why?
I don't know. Truly speaking, I know nothing.
Admit.
There's nothing I can admit because truly speaking, I don't know anything. I know nothing because what I know is that she doesn't want me. Understood?
She doesn't want you, or you don't want her yash. That's two different things. She doesn't want you, or you don't want her yash.
That girl, she doesn't want me. Understood? She doesn't want me. So the way I know.
You are not denying from her statement. You are not denying anything from her statement. I
can't deny anything. I can't agree to anything because what I know,
I haven't heard you saying she's keeping or something. You haven't said that. You haven't said that she's
maybe she's doing that. Maybe
she's right.
No, she okay.
Maybe she's right.
That girl, she's not right.
Okay.
You see,
that's why
she's not right. She's not right because, guy, that girl, I used to stay with her. You see, I take her best. I loved her. You understand? And then she left me. When she left me, okay, I took my time, okay. Let me give her some time. I give her time, I take my time. You see, afterwards, I go back and tell the baby, Nana, I want my LBs Nyaka love brown and then she rejected me. When she rejected, she said to me, I can party. So that thing, yeah, it hurts me, bro. Like now, like I'm still like I'm still hurt. Like when I see the girl, okay, I've lost it. So you see, so what I have in my heart.
Maybe she's spreading rumors, lies, bro. Maybe she wants to lower your dignity.
Just yeah, I don't know.
Oh, bro, it's crazy. She's giving you a mental breakdown.
No, like now I have trauma.
She's giving you a mental breakdown, bro.
I have trauma.
Guys,
dude.
Like,
how can something?
How do you all feel like hore na what's a little bafan little rota ila diku?
No, like he's taking it too personal,
bro. That like, question.
Like no.
Oh, where do you feel like you want to go?
No, I wasn't feeling. I had no feeling. I was just doing. I was a boy.
You were just peeing.
Yeah, I was just peeing. Because as a little boy, I thought that was the right thing to do. Because even though I never thought of this until my homie people gave me this.
They beat you up.
Yeah, and tell me that they're gonna cook me a rot.
What?
Yeah, a rat. Yeah, so they tell me that we are going to cook for you a rat so that you stop paying for your comments. You see, so that's when I started to grow up in here, and then.
And you stopped.
Yeah, and then I stopped.
How old were you?
I think maybe I was 5 years old.
5 years.
Yeah, it's in 5 years old.
You stopped very quick. Me, my last time. Hey, my last time
yeah,
I think about my 11, 12 years.
Joe. And you were so big, man. You were so old.
Bro, 12 years.
When I go chai.
Cause can I maybe no tomang. I can stop off from hotel.
Yeah, with dreams and all those stuffs. Yeah.
So from let me say from day 0 to 12 years, ping on myself, when I get asleep. When I fall asleep, then from 12 years, maybe to the age till today, from 12 years till today, masturbating, bro. Masturbating. Maybe after masturbating, I'll make a child. Who knows? Step by step. Step by step.
Everything has time. I
right?
understand. Yeah.
There's time.
Yeah. Hey guys.
Yeah.
They just
Guys,
told me
ke
something.
prank ke mfan radala mfan wala zangar silo ka wena ke prank no tala dari nya ko ntavro ko mar
Ke prank ke jo.
Ale vetilo.
Baba, it's time.
Time for what?
Ngizangi di makeme.
Expose us.
Like hopeful, nearly 3.
Hey,
Yang bola.